Hey everybody, welcome to this course. My name's Will and I'll be your instructor on this journey building a chat messaging app using Flutter Flow and Firebase. I'm so excited to have you here with me and I can't wait to get into this topic with you. Nowadays, any app that has some form of social aspect to it includes some messaging functionality. Think of Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, everything has a messaging feature. Because it's such a fundamental component of a modern app, I decided to make a course solely focused on building one out from scratch. After completing the course, you'll be able to implement a chat feature in any of your awesome projects, which will take any app you build to the next level. The course has two sections, the first one being the short one that you're in right now, the introduction and setup, and then in the second section, we'll be getting our hands dirty and building an awesome chat messaging app. If this is your first time using Flutter Flow, I do have another course which covers all the fundamentals, everything from individual components to building your first full project, so if that's something that interests you, be sure to check it out. So that's enough rambling. Without further ado, let's get into it with the introduction and setup.